announcement. My date is on the way here.
May date ka?
Why do you look so surprised? Oh, even for you, Black. Familia Villaferte, assemble! What's happening? Okay, first time to ni Mark.
And we know Mark, he will ruin his own date.
Ako nang bahala sa snacks. Magre-ready ako ng hot chocolate.
Iti-text ko na yung mga kapatid ng kaibigan ko. I'm gonna fix his outfit and attitude now. Ako na maglilinis ng living room, pati pabango tsaka music sa sala.
Ako nang bahala sa pagkain nila. At Black,
Huwag gagawa ng kalokohan. Magkukunwari ka lang na crush mo si Mark.
Don't touch me! Your hands are dirty!
Hey Google, play some jazz.
Playing jazz music.
She's here! She's here! She's here! Hello po!
Hi,
Whitney!
Uupo kayo. Naaamoy mo ba yung living room, Whitney?
Opo, ang bango po.
Si Mark pumili ng scent nan.
No, I didn't.
Nahihiya lang siyang sabihin sa'yo.
I'm not. Hot chocolates para sa inyo. Ay, natapon! Hala, sorry! It's hot! Oh my gosh! Mom! Halika, palitan muna natin suot mo. Kumain ka na muna, Whitney. Okay na, babango na ulit ang baby namin. Thank you, Mom. Sobrang crush ko si Mark. Ang talino niya kasi eh. Ang swerte mo naman, pumayag makipag-date si Mark sa'yo. Talaga ba? What is happening? Ayan na siya! Tara na! Ate Clarissa, yung candy namin, ha? I'm so sorry about them, Whitney. Whitney? Hello? Black! I'm sorry, my family's a disaster. What are you talking about? They ruined everything. Ha? Anong sinasabi mo? This is the best day of my life. Ha? Grabe yung care ng family mo. Feel na feel ko kahit nagkakagulo. Masaya pa din. Really? Even Black? Yup, I think girl crush ko na si Black. Ay, ayan na sundo ko. Bye, Mark. Thank you. Bye.
So, how was it?
She loves it. She wants to hang out again.
Yun!
Yay!
Ako na sila na.
Anak ko. But she's weird. I don't like her. Don't invite her again.
Huh?
Ikaw talaga yung weird.